today, guys, I wanted to show you this remote control car I got. It's like a KYAMRC, like RC car thing, and it runs on these little battery things, these battery packs. I greatly recommend these because they last for like a super long time. This part right here is getting a little old. I might have to replace it. I'm not sure how I'm going to though. So any of you guys out there who know where to get spare parts for any RC car or like a site or something, please post in comments below because that would be super helpful. The first thing that's cool about these is they have like shock absorbers here. So it absorbs like whatever bump you hit. It actually is on all four. So basically I upgraded this thing. So I basically took the whole thing apart to the circuit board and then basically soldered in this light. So the cords are leading down. See those two? Yeah, so then these are connected. So when you turn it on, these will turn on and they'll turn bright. Right now the battery's charging, so when it gets dark outside, I will snap a shot of this thing riding in the dark with the flashlight on.